You're preparing yourself for the future, is this? Let's see how many I recognise. Putin, I like. As Dr. Evil.
Putin is really nice.
Mao? Hitler. Castro. This is the Ayatollah, isn't it? Now this is the Syrian dude. This is Assad. This is what's his name? Oh, forget. This is North Korea. That's Castro. That's what's his name? Yes.
Kim Jong-un.
Oh, there's Hussein. There's oh rats, what's his name? This fella. Dude, what's his name? Iranian dude.
Yes.
What's his name?
Don't know.
Don't know?
This is Kim Jong.
Who?
Gaddafi.
Gaddafi, yeah, Gaddafi, yeah.
The movie.
Don't know these dudes.
I'm doing
Stalin.
like what I need to do.
And of course, the worst of them, Faisal.
Oh no. No, bro, no.
You know what am I holding?
What?
In the picture.
It's empty Coke bottle.
You know what it can be used as?
What?
A mobile shop.
I don't know what that is, and I don't want to know.
You know, over there, after we finish our business in the toilet, we use a water hose
Yes.
to sprinkle water and wash our
Yes.
where the sun don't shine.
Yes.
So this is my water hose over here in Ireland.
Nice. So if I see an empty Coke bottle,
If it's beer from the top.
Chris, do not touch.
Yeah. Or like you
see
my friend here.
people with two bottles.
One is empty.
I see.
But I don't walk around with it in my.
Because that would be weird. Yeah.
But no one would know it.
But now I do know. And now whenever I have a future student, I see them with two bottles in their bag. I'm like, that one's for drinking, that one's for cleaning.
You see them going to the bathroom
With a bottle. Yes.
I've done that here, but no one has noticed so far.
No,
Someone asked me once, they were like, oh, why are you going to the bathroom with a bottle? I was like,
that is interesting. I've been culturally enlightened now. So note to self. Don't
killing
touch this
trees with
bottle.
those tissues,
Yes.
and it's bleed, so it's bad for your skin.
Sorry, this is from a country that drives SUVs all day long. Yes. So killing trees, not good, but...
Of course, we care about our trees.
You do?
Yeah, we produce
You don't what we're talking about, you don't.
We produce a lot of CO2, so we need the trees to cover up.
You don't have any trees in the Middle East, do you?
no, we have palm trees.
Palm trees, they don't care.
Of course they do. Share the story.
What?
This guy
Yeah?
asked me
Yeah.
for a bottle.
A bottle of water?
Yeah, for cleaning.
Mine. Oh yeah, it's here.
It's more hygienic.
And you get rashes if you don't use water. Like maybe it's just me, but like I do get rashes.
This is, you see,
Very sensitive.
have you ever heard of something called tea tree wipe? Fuan understands me, you don't understand
No,
this.
like wet wipes.
Yes?
Yeah, I have them.
Tea tree though, they don't understand. The white.
The white.
The green wipes.
Yeah, I know.
They're the best.
Yeah.
These are
They clean themselves with a bottle of water.
No.
I know!
Yeah, because it's a bottle of water. Over there, it's a water sprinkler.
It's like
You know, the satisfaction.
We'll stick to the tea tree wipes, thank you.
There are some hoses that are so strong.
Stop!
Too far! We'll discuss toilet habits later. Right, A5 you want to start with, correct?
Between
So what is A5? Can I have an exam? Do you have an exam?
Hey, but I don't enjoy it.
You underestimate.
Wait,
Yeah, I
what's
think I enjoyed it.
Bro, the only thing you underestimate is the heat of water in the summer. And when you use
Right, A5 now.
oh, nice.
3.
Just for you.
No. I'm sure someone other than Andrew wants to see A5. Just Andrew? Nothing. Right. Okay, well, if everybody thinks they're so freaking great, what do we do here first?
You mix the first two and you mix the other two, then you...
No, you do not mix. Why can't you mix?
First you...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then you mix.
Yes.
Take the power.
Yes. In other words, what Yusuf said. So take these up. Nothing to do there. So this is log 3 12 cubed minus log 3 49 square root plus log 3 21 minus log 3 4 cubed. So this is log 3 12 cubed minus log 3 7 plus log 3 21 minus log 3 4 cubed. The minuses mean divide and the plus means multiply. 12 cubed times 21 over 7 times 4 cubed. Let's clean this up with a bottle of water. 12 cubed is 4 cubed times 3 cubed, because 12 is 4 times 3. 21 is 3 times 7 over 7 times 4 cubed. So the 4 cubes cancel. I can cancel the 7 with the 7, and I'm left with log 3 4, because 3 cubed by 3 1 is 3 4. So the answer is 4. That is A5, Andrew. Oh my goodness, what's going on here?
They give you a mark here for writing log 81. They want you to...
Yeah, I'd give the mark at this step then. Now that's kind of stupid, because then you can see it's a 4 clearly this way. Yeah. Okay, Andrew, do you need to write that down? No? Any questions? Continue to 6.
Actually, one question.
Yeah.
What happens to the coefficients at the second step, at the second line?
They went up into the powers.
What's rule is that?
The 4th rule? Or the 3rd rule? I forget. Trust me, it's one of the rules. Okay, can we do 6 now? Yes? Yes? 6. Right, 6 is not too bad. And what do we need to do first here?
Square root.
Yeah. So there's actually 2 possibilities here. This or this. Can you hit in, please, sine inverse root 3/4?
It's 1 over 3, 5.
It is?
Yes.
Plus or minus.
Yeah. Now the second answer for sine is
That's it.
no, hang on. Well, I'll reject them properly if I need to. The second answer for
No, you take more. That's it.
Hold on.
The domain is...
Let
Yeah,
me do it my way, please, children, please, my way, please. Thank you.
Off.
How did you...
What
Did you hear it?
You saying bad words, Omar?
No.
On the way, it's better.
How did you convert it to pi?
How did I do what now?
Convert into pi.
Well, I'm trusting them that they did sine inverse root 3/4 on the calculator. Now, before proceeding, are you in degree mode?
Yes, I am.
What mode should you be in?
Huh?
What?
No.
Proceeding. How do you get the second answer for sine? It is pi minus the first answer, isn't it?
Yes.
So this would be 2/3 pi, and this one would be minus 4/3 pi. Now we need to fix the answer. This answer is okay. This answer is okay. This one is
Not okay.
Not okay.
no, it's
You
too
have
big.
to fix
Yeah, and if we try to fix it,
Not
it
okay.
falls back outside the range. And if we try to fix this, it falls outside the range. So we have to reject these two. So only these are the answers. Now, I'm sorry that took a bit longer, but it's just the way I'd like to do it. Okay. Continue? Yeah, reject. Oh, you wrote not accept.
This is not really.
Yeah. Reject means not accept. And you spelled accept wrong. Starts with an A. There we go. Okay.
And then minus.
Why not? Because here, where's the minus when you root? Plus minus. When you root.
Me.
Yeah. Yeah? Okay. 7 now?
He lost his PP. He's looking for it.
Did it fall on the ground? What's going on?
Very small.
Why are you laughing, Fong?
Oh, my goodness. Can I continue? There's something not right with this class. Like, I wouldn't consider anyone in this class close to being normal. It's a spectrum. Just how weird is everyone? We go from very weird to Faisal. This is the spectrum we operate off of.
This is only my first form.
Yeah, not
I can
this isn't even your final
I
form.
can ascend
Yeah.
beyond the face.
Wow.
Well, beyond. I think there's a wrong choice of vocabulary here. You're not extended beyond the Faisal.
No.
Below.
No.
Going even lower.
Beyond.
No, below.
What?
My hair will turn black.
Blacker.
Yes. And
Right.
then my third form it will grow longer as well.
And then it starts to curl a little bit?
No.
No, okay.
I'm working on my fourth form where it turns blue.
In my second form, my hair gets a bit shorter and I turn blue.
Oh.
Like
yeah.
this. Yeah.
And your lips become scaly.
Yes, this is
Then
right,
the
yes.
next form,
Yeah.
all of you become scaly. All of you. Nice to
Sort
meet
of reptilian. A
Yeah.
tail appears as well
Yeah.
then, yes.
Probably explode.
I haven't decided on my powers yet.
I can only.
Maybe, I think what would be a
Fire
useful
ball.
power would be the power to kill a student, revive them from the dead, to be able to kill them again.
Nice.
I think I would like this. I think I would like this.
And not because.
And not because, yeah.
You can collect the 7 Dragon Balls and you can revive them as many times as you want.
It's a proven biological fact. Even the most basic biology student knows this. Right. Now, for this one, we want to find the equation of the normal. How do I find that? The normal. What do I need to do first?
Differentiate.
Yeah, so what's that here, Andrew?
It's x squared
Yeah.
minus 10x.
And what's x?
X is
2. 24 minus 20. Is that 4?
Yes.
So what's the gradient here? Yeah. So y equals minus 1 over 4x plus c, and c is 2 minus 4. Put that in. Minus 4 equals minus a quarter times 2 plus c. Minus 4 equals, what's that, minus a half plus c? So c equals minus 7 over 2, is that right?
No. It's 1. No, it's, yeah.
What?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, correct.
Don't listen to Wong, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Wrong is bad.
Is this the right answer in the marking scheme?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Why'd you flip the form?
Because it's a normal, which is
Exactly.
perpendicular to the tangent.
It's not normal.
If it was parallel, then same.
The dy dx gives us this. The normal is this, perpendicular to the tangent.
But I remember the normal.
Is perpendicular to the tangent, and the derivative is the slope of the tangent. Therefore, the normal is 1 over, minus 1 over this. Oh, how times have changed. Really, he explained this to you 2 months ago.
Yeah, I don't know about this.
And he explained it to you. And when he explained this to you, he gave you the knowledge and he forgot it. Was it like this?
It's difficult to explain
Yes.
something to
Yes.
so.
You had to give it to him physically. Yes, okay.
What?
What?
Yeah, he probably just said give it to him.
Yeah, that's not the right.
Context, Faisal. Context. Right, can we have a look at 8 now, please? Yes. So, what do I need to do in number 8 here? Any ideas?
Make y equals to the function.
Yeah.
And then square both sides.
Solve for x. Yeah. Does anyone want to do it using the bubbles?
No.
No. Okay. Never mind. Yeah. Never mind. The kid way. Yeah. So it's going to be log this,
Yeah.
and then what do we do? Just put in 7. So this is the inverse function.
You need to write it as x.
Yeah. So the answer is log 51 over 3. Is it 49 plus 2? Yeah.
Yes.
But that's divisible by 3, so that's log 17. Okay. Do we write it in decimal form?
I wrote it in decimal.
Then you are wrong. You are wrong.
But I wrote both.
Yeah, but they said on the question leave it to us.
Yeah.
Wrong?
Yeah, they were quite clear. How do they want the answer?
I have
Find the exact.
I have ln 7 squared plus 2 over 3.
But where did you finish?
ln 7 2 squared plus 2 over 3.
What was your last line you wrote for this question?
ln 7 squared plus 2 over 3.
So you didn't write log 17?
No. But 7 squared plus 2 over 3 is 17.
I know that.
Okay, next time I'll write for
So, what if I wrote the whole thing?
No,
But that's the exact value.
that is not. This is one of those things where it annoys me that students think it's the exact value. That's not what exact means.
But what about like all the numbers?
That is what he just asked me.
But that's all. Like
Even
all
so I can't write the whole thing.
The calculator doesn't give you all the numbers. Doesn't
ln 17 or wrong.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
But what if I write the whole thing?
No,
Like,
because that's not exact.
It is
Because
exact, but it's not simplest.
no, it's not even simplest nor exact. It's neither of those. Why is it not simplest? Because simplest is log 17. Why is it not exact? Because you are rounding to 9 decimal places.
What? What did I
The
write?
calculator can't give you more numbers.
But there are more. Okay.
or what if I write the whole thing?
Well, okay then. No.
As long as you show on the next step.
No. Exact usually means a fraction. For example, this
Fractions are best.
is exact. This is exact. This is exact. But this
I thought that was Y2, but then I was like, oh, that's not Y3. So that's not Y2.
that's a half. That's worse. That's not exact.
What if you wrote it with the point, the recurring thing?
Ooh, now we're getting interesting. This
Yeah,
is exact.
Exact, yeah?
Yeah, technically it is.
Now we know the tricks.
No, but he can't do that with his calculator because it's not recurring. It's not repeating.
Yeah, but you know, you kind of know that fraction. Like,
Well,
you know
this one you do. This one you do. Right, next. Vectors. Good. A9. Oh, this one is okay. Actually, this is nice for 4 marks. A is 2 minus 1, 5. And B is minus 3, minus 7, 8. And what are we looking for here?
AB.
The length of AB.
B minus A.
Yeah. Minus 5.
Question. None of the marking schemes does it in this vertically. So is it fine if we do it vertically or not?
Why do you have to interrupt me in the middle of a sentence?
Oh.
Question!
Oh.
Why do you have to interrupt me in the middle of a sentence?
Oh no.
Question! Why do you do this?
I don't think sentences. You can't do it.
Can't do what?
It's at the
This.
start.
It's fine to do it. Sometimes. Okay, sorry.
I just have one thing to ask you.
One of those.
I just want to know one thing. Is it just me, or is it the other teachers too?
Just you.
Be honest. It's the last week.
It's just you and one other teacher.
Who's the other teacher? Is it Stephen Bruce?
No.
Dennis?
No. No. The ones that teach us, it's just you and one other teacher.
I doubt you do this to Lorraine.
Exactly.
You do?
He
Do
doesn't
No,
work.
of course not.
He does.
What is-
Because she will reject me in front of the whole class.
What about your EIP teacher?
I don't remember. Because I kept saying. But no, I'm like this with everyone. Not Lorraine. Not Lorraine on a bad mood. If she's in a good mood, then it's fine.
How often does that happen?
What?
What? No. Right. B minus A. That's minus 5, minus 6, and 3. And to answer your question, Faisal, how did they write in the marking scheme?
Horizontally. Not vertically.
Oh, well, that's because I'm not quite there at that stage yet, yeah. So that's square root 25 plus 36 plus 9.
But even in the question, they write the vector.
Horizontally.
Yeah, they really shouldn't do that. It's
I know.
technically not the way they're supposed to be doing it. If I really, the person who, no, I won't. Yeah, no, the person who writes this annoys me sometimes. Just, I won't incriminate myself further.
I was taught a nice Irish.
What, is this root 50? No, root 6, what? 70. What were you taught?
Starts with a gold.
A what? Oh,
Yeah.
God.
Gold.
Yeah. Yeah, I know what you're talking
Never
about.
heard it.
Yeah, no, it's very Irish. Yeah, you'll sound like a native using words like this. Okay.
I have a very good host.
Oh, this one says give your mark for 3 significant figures. So what's that here? Okay.
Wait,
What?
it's minus 5.
minus 5 is 3, isn't it?
That is hard.
I just don't get it.
Why in the math team they use A minus B?
You can actually. Yeah, and the only difference between using A minus B is you'll get this vector. Yeah. Okay, continue. A10.
Why I can be wrong in this one?
Why you can be wrong? Why you are wrong? Give me
I
the
thought
correct
F
grammar.
minus pi is 2.
It's not.
8 minus 5 is 2.
It's not. Unless we have a new area of maths called Fuang maths. 8 minus 5. P-H-U-O-N-G matics? Phonematics. Yeah, I like it. Phonematics.
Where everything is possible.
Yes. No answer is the wrong answer. Every answer is the right answer.
6 plus 6 equal fish.
Yeah.
2 plus 2.
Is a cat. No, 2
No,
plus 2
2
is
plus
a
2 is a
fish.
fish.
Yeah, 2 plus 2 is a fish.
2 plus 2 is a fish.
Yeah,
Yeah.
2 plus 2 is a fish. 7 plus 7 is a triangle.
You don't know the 2 plus 2 thingy is a fish?
6 plus 6 equals 6.
Ah, 2 plus 2 is a fish. Oh, but my 7 plus 7 doesn't make a triangle. It makes
No.
6
Yeah,
plus
yeah.
9 is something else also.
Inverted. You do not take inverted. What? 30 seconds to match 7 plus 7.
3 plus 3 equal 8.
Let's see. And you saw this one, isn't it? Like limit x. What's this one? X minus.
Oh no. We didn't get that
remember.
point.
No.
Oh yeah, 4 is equal to 5.
4 is equal to 5.
Remember?
Yes, 4 is equal to 5.
1 is equal to
Then there's
Oh
like
yeah,
a
and
whole-
there's a proof for 1 equals to 2.
Oh yeah, I know the one
The
equals to
proof,
2
yeah.
one, yeah.
How
It's
about
pretty
that?
much
What is
another version of that.
What's the proof? Can you?
And then I think there's also in physics as well. You have how do we spell Fuang physics? F I Z I C.
No.
No.
PHI.
P H
PZK.
Physics, no.
P
Physics.
K.
Physics.
Yeah. PZ.
No, not say like that.
No, liar.
No.
Reduction is lying.
And in this area, you don't have Newton doesn't have 3 laws. He only has 1 law, the second law. Yes.
So Newton has only one law, and it's called the second law.
Yes.
Amen. I like physics.
And also, in this area, you have to be careful cutting strings with your teeth.
Oh yeah.
as well. Yeah. This was in his lab report. Oh, speaking of which, I can give you your marks tomorrow for your coursework.
Wow! What happened
Yes,
to
you
the
heard.
crowd?
You heard me correct. Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
nice.
I accidentally came in for 9 o'clock because I thought we had class at 9. So I'm sitting there going, well, I suppose I might as well correct the coursework. So I got them finished today. I need to double check them. Also, some of your marks have changed from the previous courseworks because I double checked them, and some of you are idiots. Because some of you wrote down the wrong student number. For example, Lee, you wrote down the wrong student number on one of your courseworks.
Higher or lower?
I don't remember.
Which one?
But
Is it
Which
still in
course?
also,
How do
you used 2 student numbers for your coursework.
No, I told you there was a mistake.
I know.
Since back then.
I know. So I have to fix that. But for example, he used you're 96, aren't you?
I'm 96.
You're 97. And you, for a while, were 96.
No, I am 96. But they wrote me as 113.
No, 103. Anyways, it doesn't matter. There was something screwy happening with your numbers here. And then
Yeah, I had a B for one.
And then your 5s are terrible. You wrote 95, but your 5 looks like a 9. terrible 5.
Whoa.
Was there a problem with 100?
Your 5 was like, was something weird, like a 9 looking. Well, you did a 5 like this or something. I'm like, what? Like, 95.
That's so nice gravity. Okay, so...
And then you didn't even have your student number on one of your assignments.
Oh, 0.
Anyways, the good news is when I mixed up your results, they were only different by like 1% or something. So,
I thought we got an A or something.
anyways, I double marked it. So the grades I have now would be definitely the right grade.
So you're gonna give us
Everything.
allowance for the...
Yeah, I'll give you everything. Okay.
The second one, was it like high?
I was a bit disappointed. Again, an awful lot of B's. B's in the maths. The physics had a broader range, but everybody kind of felt like, let's all get B's in maths. This seems like a good idea. Yeah, the physics was better than the maths. Go figure.
What?
I know.
The other way around.
I know. And then I started correcting them. I'm like, oh, they said this? Oh, okay.
But we got everything right in the math and the calculations and stuff.
Oh yeah, the calculations were fine. It was the other things going, like when you had to use words.
Yeah, but we wrote like sentences.
With verbs?
Yeah.
Well, that totally gets marked. No, the content of what was written. Especially when I was so disappointed when people tried to explain the difference between the trapezoid and Simpson's method. I was hoping for more people to talk about how the trapezoid uses rectangles and the Simpson's rule uses quadratic.
I said that.
Yes, I said most people.
I said parabolic.
At least 1 or 2 people mentioned parabolic trapezoids or something like that. But for most part, people just said, oh yeah, I thought the Simpsons rule would be better. And it was. And the reason it was better was because it was closer to the right answer. Like, no, I'm not giving a mark for that.
You're giving us the marks at 9 o'clock tomorrow, first lesson. Yeah?
Yes. Why?
I just don't
Clarify.
like to be...
Oh, you don't want to wait the whole day?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. So I'll give you your marks tomorrow for everything.
Like specific ones, yeah?
Yeah.
Percentage.
Yeah. Okay. A10. Oh, this one is easy. What rule do we need for A10 if we want the derivative here? So, bottom squared. Bottom times derivative of the top minus top times derivative of the bottom. And what's the value of x here?
1.
So that's 2 times 3 is 6 minus 2 over 4, is it? Is it 1 the answer?
Yeah.
Did someone say no?
No, I said lol.
Alright. It's pronounced lols. Okay. A11. Integration by parts. Is the order correct or do we need to swap it? It's correct.
Can you be nice and do this slowly?
Slowly, if that is what you want, I can do it slowly, Faisal. Okay.
Wait.
I'm not going anywhere.
Wait.
Why am I being so accommodating to you right now?
Because you love me.
Deep down, is it?
Even on the outside. What is this?
Oh, come on. Are you ready?
Let's go!
He wants to see you do it with you.
Yes, please use those, please, for the love of all that's holy.
Right. For the love of everything that's good and holy, I will use U and V.
No, those.
Does that not say U and V?
Those.
I'll show you.
I'm talking to him, please don't interrupt our conversation.
If I were you, I would.
What do you want me to use?
Use F's and G's. I told you to use U's and V's.
What?
I don't want
U's and V's.
No, I don't understand.
The way it's written in the...
As I know, which uses the letters used in beats, but
I'm trying to explain it to him, but he's...
I'm not looking at this. I know what I'm doing.
Yes. DVDU.
Yes.
Yeah, not U dash or V dash.
No, yes, I know.
Thank you.
Okay.
Note this.
Are you aware that
Pause.
this
Yeah,
Sorry.
English slab. Oh yeah. If you don't mind, Faisal, please.
Yesterday was...
Or was it? It's evolved, is
Oh,
it?
he was like, it was a positive.
I was like, what? It's like C-A-N-T. What are you talking about?
And then yesterday it was like, exclamation mark.
I'm learning Chinese. Right, so this is U, and this is dV dx.
Yes.
Good. So, that means du dx equals 9. And V equals E3x over 3.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
And the rule is U V, yes, minus integrate
Yes.
V du dx
Okay.
dx. Three E3x minus 3 integrate E3x dx
Okay.
equals 3E3x minus,
If you have the 3 inside.
yeah, it doesn't matter because it'll just be this, because I'll divide by the 3 when I integrate, which will cancel this. Yes. And
the 3, where did the 3 go?
it'll cancel with this 3 when I integrate it.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Hang on, don't make me sound like the stupid
You
one
don't have
here.
to repeat it twice. Twice is enough.
Is it? For this class I do not know sometimes. Right, so first we put in 1, so we get 3E3 minus E3, and then we put in a third, 3E1 minus 3,1. 2E3 minus 2E1. 2E3 minus E. 'Tis correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you
What's
support
the
now,
answer?
please?
No, it's not finished yet. That's not correct. That doesn't match up with the marking scheme. Yeah. So, did I make some mistake here?
Doesn't that? That's... Doesn't matter.
No. To put in 1 and a third.
Yes, because those are the limits. That's one.
Wait, oh, rats! I lost the letter. Yeah. Nobody noticed it. I lost my X here. So I should have had an X here. Okay, now let's retry that. This is,
1/3.
okay, so take 2. This is 3E3 minus E3. Yes? Minus,
Can't we just use the calculator after that step?
now let's do properly. 1 E1 minus E1. Yeah. 2E3.
Yeah, can't we use the calculator after that step?
Check the marking scheme. After what step?
After where we need to put the limit.
You get 1 mark for substituting in their limits and subtracting. If you do this on your calculator, you'll lose that 1 mark.
But we're substituting them.
On
Dude,
your calculator, not here. You need to show it.
yeah, I have to give you the mark, I have to see it on the paper.
All working wants to be shown.
Seems pretty clear to me. Wait, does it even say that in the question? Yes, they even go to the trouble to extra specify in that question, all workings must be shown. Just the answer on its own will score 0, even if it's correct.
Should we include the that?
No.
No. When you have
So the limit gets one mark for substituting in the limit.
Yes,
substituting and subtracting.
and subtracting.
Can you zoom out?
Now, on to Lee's favourite question next, A12.
Thank you.
Calm yourself down, Lee.
I just want to know one part.
No, I'm doing the whole thing. Faisal, continue.
Yes.
Okay.
No, because I want the other part.
Metal rods have a mean length of 350 centimeters, a standard deviation of 5 centimeters. The length of the rods can be assumed to be a normal distribution. 33% of the rods are longer than some number x. What is this x? So you are looking for some point on the graph here called x. No, I'm sorry. Here called x. So that 33% of them are to the right. So if we take out our table book, we need to find the value of z, which makes 0.67. Do we have the table book?
Value 0.44.
Where
you
did
have
you
the
get the
answer?
0.67?
Okay. Huh?
Where did you get the 0.67?
1 minus, or 100
Yeah.
minus 33%.
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
Yes.
No, not finished yet.
No, I just want this part. Why 0.44?
Oh, this is from the book, the table book. Remember, you want this number to equal 0.67. So you need, in the table book, 0.44 will make 0.67.
I told you, Nick.
Where is
On Moodle. So, x minus 350 over 5 equals 0.44. So then this means x is 352.2 centimeters. This is using the z transformation. Of course.
No, you need to memorize.
The whole table, yeah.
You can use your calculator on the table.
You can actually. Do you know how to?
Me?
Yes.
I want to show you.
Yeah, that's why I was asking.
How do you?
Maybe I'll show you, sir. But you'll have the table
You
book in the
know how
exam.
to use-
Yes,
Yeah,
I
but
do.
I'm too tired to spend pages now.
I support you for keeping up with it.
I can't. Right. I just need to open the calculator. It'll take a minute. So we'll go on to section B. What do we need to see from B? Fuan, did you get that question? It's all okay now? Alright. Anyone else now have a look?
B2.
B2?
No, B3.
B3.
No, before.
No,
before.
We don't.
B3, yeah?
2.
B2, what's B2?
1.
Oh my goodness.
B2, B, but I.
Right, let's just start with B1. Who wants to see B1? What part of B1?
D.
All the C?
Only D.
Okay, I'll do that first. Thank you, Fuan. B1C. An arithmetic progression has a common difference of 6. The 11th term is 5 times larger than the first term. Find the first term. Okay? So, you have here A plus 10D equals 5A. But you also know that D is 6. So you get A plus 60 equals 5A. So that means 60 equals 4. So that means 60. What am I doing? Sorry, 5A. So that means 60 equals 4A. So A is 15. What?
What is the formula
For what? UN
yeah, UN.
is A plus N minus 1D. What? What?
D2.
What?
D2.
D2.
Yeah, the same
The
question.
geometric series, the common ratio, that's all I come to infinity, find the terms in the series, which is the first
Can I scroll down?
formula 2.
Or equals 3/5. S infinity equals 3125. Find the first term. So you know A over 1 minus or equals 3125. So A equals 3125 times 1 minus 3/5. So that is 2/5. 3125. What is that, please? Okay, and when does the term fall below 2 now? So we want to know when UN is less than 2. Okay, that's the next part. That's what you were asking for. Yeah. So we want to know when will A or N minus 1 be less than 2. When will 1250 3/5 N minus 1 be less than 2? When will 3/5 N minus 1 be less than 2 over 1250? Log, bring the N minus 1 down. When is N minus 1 greater than log 2 over 1250 over log 3/5? Why did I flip?
Because but you're not dividing by a negative.
Yeah.
Or am I?
Log 3 over 5 is a log. Yes.
Nice!
It's true. Log 3/5 is a negative. Despite what you might read in the newspapers, it is. So the answer is when N is greater than log 2 over 1250 over log 3 over 5 plus 1. So we need the first number bigger than this, which is what in the... So then 14 is the answer here.
It's in group 14.
Yes, it does.
So this is the first year they mix semester 1 and semester 2 topics.
Maybe it's the second year. I don't know. It's hard to keep track of these things.
There are none there are no exams like this one on they are all semester 2 stuff.
Yeah, they don't release the exams often. They only release the exams every 2 years. So you're the second year. Okay. What's next? What do you need to see next? Yes?
B2
Yeah.
AI July.
B2A Part 2. What's that about? Is it good? No. It's okay. X11 over x cubed power 4 times root x6 equals 1 over 625. X can't be 0. So that's x11 over x12 x3 equals 1 over 25 cubed? No, squared. What am I saying? And that's 5 power 4. Yeah, I know, thanks. I knew that. I was going to get there. So that's x11 over x15 equals 1 over 5, 4. So that's x minus 4 equals 5 minus 4. So x equals 5. Correct?
Yeah.
Cool.
B2, B1.
Okay, that's what Fuang was asking me. Did you get this one, Fuang? So you're saying you're smarter than Faisal?
I didn't
I
solve
think you are.
those questions, but I went through them and was like, oh, this looks like I think about it. So I sat it down, but I thought
I don't think you will. I think it's easier.
Yeah.
for that.
You'll be disappointed.
Yeah, I think you can do that.
You're going to be so disappointed.
now that I have the marking scheme, we can give this one.
It's awesome. Right, what's next then?
Should we do IB?
Huh?
AIB, B2 AIB.
B2A4.
4.
Yeah.
What is it? Log?
5x minus 3 equals
Log base E.
Which question is this?
B2A 4.4.
Okay.
So, e to the power of 2 makes this. This is the definition of logs. So that means e squared is 5x minus 3. So e squared plus 3 over 5 is x. That's it.
What?
What?
E to the power of 2
Yeah.
makes this. Yeah. Okay.
You're not satisfied with this.
No, I am.
No, I can tell you now.
I am.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
I was just mixing it up with another formula from physics.
Really? Half-life, was it?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Do it. They can see you talking about them. There's not like invisibility around you.
I'm singing the song about sleep.
You're singing the song about Lee.
You want me to sing it outside?
The dirty.
Yeah.
The racist.
No.
Just dirty.
Yes.
Profanities. Give me an age rating. PG-13,
Yeah.
15, 18 plus.
I heard that.
PG is okay. Go for it.
You
Give me the lyrics.
Twinkle, twinkle, close your eyes.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Close your eyes.
Of course.
I don't know if this counts as PG-13. I thought you might have used words like poop or
She's
something.
18.
I know, but he's 17. You're still 17, aren't you? When are you 18?
Of July?
Oh, not fair.
My father is on the 30th of July.
Counting down.
I'm not
What?
missing.
Oh,
Finish on the 21st.
10 days off.
31st of June.
July.
Anyway, June. His birthday is coming up. It's the 31st of June.
Maybe they were being sarcastic.
What?
Yesterday صراحة, yesterday was which exam did you do yesterday? Speaking. Don't blame you, but it was a nice moment.
It was a good bonding moment for the class. Right, continuing. Which do we want to see next?
What do you think?
What?
Oh no, the
Yeah.
song is-
Twinkle, twinkle, little horse.
That's it?
Yeah.
And then you can of course.
No.
That's a donkey.
You know, if I reported this, no one would believe me.
Yeah. You can imagine my parents when they got called to school.
No, I can imagine now your parents when they saw you on the flight off to Ireland. Off the plane goes, they look at each other. How long will our son be out of the country? 7 months.
Mom, Dad, I want to come visit. That's okay. Think of your study.
No, don't come back before he is. No, stay. Something like that. Have you been home since you've been here? Have you? Okay. For a week.
They were crying when they saw me.
What do you mean? It's a true story?
Keep in mind he didn't say crying when I left. Not crying when I left.
Yeah. No, I guess I know what that feeling will be like in a couple of weeks. Alright, what's next now? Which part? Are we finished with 2? 2's okay? This is one number 2. Fuang, you said you wanted to see number 3.
Yeah.
The whole thing? The whole thing? Are you sure?
It's a ship. I don't know about the ship.
So where you picked it?
Good question.
This is where you deserve the gap more than you do.
Yeah, why did you choose this one?
Because this is better.
Not a princess.
You leave Princess Fuang alone.
If you do not get an A-star in your EAP,
Who's
yeah,
looking-
underrating
I
you.
swear, both of them should be partners.
Who's looking for an A-star in EAP?
Please.
He deserves it. I swear he deserves it.
He deserves an A-star.
I swear he deserves
No,
it.
honestly, like he improved so much.
His comebacks are next level.
Like once
Good.
he can make jokes in a different language.
Do you remember in the first week he didn't speak any English? Do you remember?
But he hangs out with us.
And then it all changed.
Not to the better.
Well, at least the English was for the better.
Yes.
Yes. The rest was not.
His way of thinking,
You corrupted him.
his dark jokes.
He was an innocent Chinese boy when he came
Yes.
here, and now look at him.
He's worse than us.
Exactly.
Than him.
Yes. Created a monster. Right, B3. Okay, Fuang.
His parents are not recognized.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Do your parents speak English?
No.
He's okay. He's okay.
It's not just the language, it's the whole brain.
But maybe it's just the language part that's been corrupted, the English part.
No, the behavior, the everything.
The everything.
Not the same me anymore.
Oh, okay. We'll have to.
He's been sucked by the dark force.
After the exams, we'll have to fix them. We'll have to readjust them back to the original form.
He needs a rehab.
Rehab, yes. Yes, actually, this class does need rehab. Yes. Yes. B3. Okay, so this one here, what's the name of this shape? Cylinder, yeah. And you're told that the volume is 6750 pi. Right, part 1 is to find H in terms of ore. How can I get a relationship between H and ore? What? Continue? Okay. What? Yeah. Volume equals pi r squared H. And what are we looking for? H. So H is volume over pi r squared. Is 6750 pi over pi r squared. So the answer is 6750 over r squared. Part 2. What is the surface area? How many shapes make up this cylinder?
3.
Well, 3 kind of. You have 2 circles and a rectangle. So the first circle is pi r squared. The second circle, pi r squared. What?
There are 2 different shapes.
I know, but I didn't say how many distinct shapes.
He is right.
And now, what is the area of the rectangle?
Steven, is the volume given
RH.
the formula book?
It is not.
Just understand.
No, I think, well, you need to know that
How
formula.
do you
Understand where it comes from.
No, yeah.
That's by r squared.
Yeah, by the height.
Times height.
So when
The area of the circle times the height.
That multiplied this gives the volume.
What's the P?
The P?
What's
the
The
P?
pi?
By r squared.
Pi r squared is this.
Area of the
Circle and height.
Earlier we did this.
Yeah.
Got it. Yes.
This one you need to know. Remember.
Oh.
And then what's the rectangle's area?
2 pi r times height.
2 pi or H. Now, do they have H in it? No. Wait, sorry, do they have H? No, they don't have it. So this is 2 pi or squared plus 2 pi or 6750 over r squared. So that's 2 pi r squared plus pi plus 13500 pi over r.
Okay.
Next is to find the minimum. So derivative is 4 pi r minus 13500 pi over r squared equals 0. That's the derivative. Because you can change this into r minus 1 and then differentiate to make
Yeah.
r minus 2.
R minus 2 or R is 0. Don't we
No.
add 1?
No.
Oh, no, it's subtract 1. Yes.
So 4 pi r equals 13500 pi over r squared. So r cubed equals 13500 pi over 4 pi. The pi's cancel and you have cube root of this. Does that work out to be anything nice? 15. Nice. And lastly, confirm your answer is a minimum. How can you check?
Second derivative.
Second derivative should be
Positive.
Minimum positive.
Take a value before, take a value after.
no.
Just take second derivative and whatever it comes, like just
Bring down the power, reduce the power by 1.
because it's positive, because it's 0, because it's negative.
This is definitely positive because when you put a 15 into this, you get a positive plus a positive is a positive, so you have a minimum.
Did you take second derivative?
Did I just do a section B question in like 6 minutes or something?
Yeah.
Still not much.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
But can you go up for a second? Pi r squared, just for the surface area.
Yeah, that's okay, I can do that.
Okay. Oh.
Right, what's next now? Well, maybe we should just wrap it up there and continue this tomorrow, because we have a double class in the morning, right? And a double class after lunch, so we don't need 4 hours to finish this paper. What do you want to do afterwards? We did the physics paper. Oh, you need more papers?
Some practice.
You have questions from your own revision?
Yes.
Excellent. And what about the maths?
Yeah.
Okay, so whatever then.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Well, I'm glad we cleared that up. Okay, so we'll do whatever tomorrow. I mean,